Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see about io.net airdrop only guys. Actually their ignition airdrop program by io.net is running on the Galaxy. So in this video I'll show you what are the criteria and how you can claim the points and all. And not only that guys, about Tyco airdrop, no, so I just completed all the Galaxy task only, and here you can see my wallet age is just 11 days ago, and I'm already showing eligible for 1750 TKO. Okay, but we can't say exactly I'm going to get this and all. Okay, so it's just a rough calculation, like they are taking arbitrum criteria and then they are showing. Okay, so if you want to get this Tyco airdrop, you have very less time to complete this task. Okay, Galaxy task, and here you can see I'm already having 2.9k points. Okay, so have this point guys, because these points will surely mean something in the future, because from the Tyco they have released a lot of new testnets. Okay, and if you interact with those testnets you will be able to gather these points, and so far I have got literally 2.9k points, and I'll tell you where you can get easily 2.5 points. Okay, but you gotta do some sorts of investment and your wallet should be eligible for that. And before we see about all these things, if this is your first time visiting to my channel, so must subscribe to my channel guys and click the bell icon and like this video and continue watching it guys, because many of you are watching my videos without liking it. It hardly takes 1 second of your time to hit the like button. And this is our Telegram channel guys. Here only I'll be updating all sorts of science information, airdrop details, airdrop link and everything. In case if you haven't followed me here, must to follow me here guys, and we'll be able to see this Kinza Finance airdrop soon in this month. So if you haven't tried this one, try this one guys. You can get the links inside my Telegram channel. And without any further ado, let's get into the video guys. So I'll be leaving all of the required links for this io.net Galaxy. Okay, so you can get the access to those links inside my Telegram channel. I'll be providing it there. So once you come here we need to have this thing. Okay, so this is the main requirements. If you don't have this requirement, we will not be able to complete these tasks. For completing these two requirements we need to spend some money. Okay, so I'll tell you how much it happens. And before that, for the Tyco airdrop, so in order to get the 2.5k points very easily, here you can see trust bonus points is there. Okay, so this will actually separate you from rest of the users. So in case if you haven't done this one, do this one and climb the points, because for example you need to have the Gitcoin score about 20. Okay, so Gitcoin score, if you want to get about 20, go to the YouTube and search how to increase my Gitcoin score. There are plenty of the video, you can find one video and try to complete the necessary task to get the 20 above score. Okay, and the next thing is Galaxy passport holder. So this is also main thing. Even for this io.net you need this Galaxy passport holder. Okay, so it's better to get this Galaxy passport, at the same time this web3 score also. So try to mint these things, so it will be very useful for you to climb the points. Okay, and must climb this bonus point guys, because this bonus point will surely separate you from the rest of the user. And I hope they're gonna do some airdrop to the people who have this higher number of points. No, they will do some sorts of airdrop to the people who have more points here. Okay, so try to get this one. And after that, here you can see the quest also, it's going to end soon. Okay, so we have only one more day, I guess. If you open this you will get to know we are only having only one more day. Okay, so currently we are in the 3rd March, and 4th March it will end. So try to complete all the tasks and gather points, and here you'll be able to get one mystery box also. So try to complete all these things guys. And if you see, this is another quest. Okay, so this will be ending on March 5th. Okay, so you have 2 days for this one, and previously which we saw, no, you have only 1 day left for that one to end. Okay, so try to complete all the Galaxy quest itself. It will show that I'm eligible for 1.7k Tyco airdrop. Okay, so I'm not sure guys, but the thing is, so in the Galaxy if you have this point for the Tyco, no, so it would actually do something for you in the future if they try to give airdrop to the people, because here they have even filtered out the people. Okay, trusted wallet which have Gitcoin passport score and Galaxy passport holder and all. So that reason why I'm saying this point is very important. So try to get the point guys, that's what I'm coming to say. And now moving on to the internet of GPUs. Okay, so firstly just click on the link, it will take you here, and once you come here just follow them in their space. Okay, and the next thing is you need to have this Galaxy web3 score. Okay, so in order to get this, on top you can see web3 score, just click on that and then go there and try to mint it, mint your web3 score. Okay, so it will cost around 5 USDT in Polygon chain. So try to send $5 worth of Polygon and try to do the transaction, and once you complete it, again go back there. And the next one is Galaxy passport holder. Okay, so in order to complete this one, just click on this Galaxy passport, and here also you can see I've already completed mine. So try to complete your Galaxy passport also, so that you will be able to complete these requirements. Okay, so in order to complete first one, you will be needing around some $5 for the gas fee too, and in order to complete your passport, you need nearly $10 worth of BNB. Okay, so have BNB in your wallet, $10 worth of BNB, and do the KYC. You need to do the KYC, then only you will be able to complete this Galaxy passport holder requirement. Okay, so now let's complete and collect the points. Okay, so here in the first thing itself, we'll be able to collect 850 points. If you just click on more, you can see, just follow them on the Twitter, then we'll be able to claim the point. Okay, so just go and follow them on the Twitter and come back and do the refresh, then here you can see we'll be able to claim the 50 points. So it's very simple like this only, most of the task. Okay, and click on the retweet, and then it will take you to the Twitter account and complete the retweet, and just come back here and click on this one. And next thing is we need to join the Telegram. Okay, so just click on this one and your Telegram account will open. So just join the group and come back here and click on verify, and here you can see have the member role in the Discord server. Okay, so just click on that, and then it will open up your Discord account. So just click on skip and finish, and then we need to do the verification. Okay, so just click on the verification, and then we'll be able to complete the verification now. So guys, once you come inside, and I tried to click on the verification, but it's showing messages failed to load. But here when I came and did the refresh, it got done. Okay, the process got done. And the next thing is we need to follow them on the Twitter. Just click on this one, and then it will take you to the Twitter account. Just follow them, and then come back here and do the refresh. Okay, and the next thing, follow this account. Just go there and follow them and come back here and do the refresh. Okay, and again we need to follow this account. Just click on this one, and we need to follow this account and message in io.net Discord general group for at least 10 days. Okay, so for this kind of task you need to wait and only do. So you gotta every single day keep an alarm, or else keep a reminder that you have to message in this Discord group. So go inside, and they told us to message in the general Discord channel. Okay, so general Discord channel, we'll be able to find it here. So here you can see the general launch is there. So here just message every day, hi, hello, or something like that. Okay, so you can see the role. If you have any roles here, you can see we are verified only. So here just message every single day. I mean, you have to message it for like that 10 days at least, then you can come here and do this refresh, then it will be done. Okay, so if you do message in their general Discord channel for 10 days itself, you will be able to get 100 points. So totally you will be able to earn 500 points. Okay, so every day just keep on a reminder and do the message. It's a simple task only. It hardly takes 1 second to 2 seconds of your time to do that. So once you complete these things, and finally we'll be able to claim our points. So just click on claim points, and then it will be claimed successfully. So if you want to check your points, just click on their logo. You'll be able to see how many points so far you have claimed. So far I'm having 350 only. So just come back here again. Let's move on to the next Galaxy quest. Okay, so this is the second Galaxy task. Okay, so here also requirement same. So we completed both of these things, and just click on like and retweet, these kind of stuff only. So I'll just fast forward this kind of like and retweet stuffs. Okay, so guys, finally I have completed all the required tasks. Okay, so this second thing is full of like just following them, retweeting, liking, these kind of things in their Twitter we gotta do. So very simple task only. So once you complete all the tasks, just click on claim 450 points, then it will be completed successfully. Okay, so just click on claim, and here you can see the transaction has been submitted. And the third task is very simple. We just need to visit the website and come back here and complete the task only. Okay, so just click on the visit and continue to access. So it will take you to the website, and again head back here and do the refresh. It will be done. and here also it's like a daily task. Okay, third one, every single day you'll be able to complete this task and earn the points. Okay, so just click on continue to access and it will take you here, and again come back here and click on this refresh thing, then it will be done, and again click on this one, it will take you to this platform. So visit the platform and just go back there and do the refresh, then it will be done. Okay, and so far we got 10 points, right? If we complete this one, 15 points altogether we will get. Okay, so just click on claim and the transaction has been submitted. Just refresh it, then you will be able to claim the points. Okay, and the fourth Galax quest is this only, guys. So here the requirements we already completed, and the thing here is we need to have the airdrop tier 1 role in the Discord server. Okay, so if you want to get this role, just click on this one and it will take you to the Discord account. After you click accept, it will take you here and it will open up like this. Okay, so here we need to update our Solana wallet address. Okay, so I mean just open your Phantom wallet and copy the address and paste it here, and here you can see the wallet submission. Okay, so just click on that one and it will actually whitelist our wallet. Okay, so just click on this submit. So what you need to do is just open your Phantom wallet and copy the address and go back there and paste it there. Okay, so just copy the address and come back here and paste it here. Okay, so now you might be asking me, why do we have to give the Solana wallet address? Because this particular project has been built on Solana, that's the reason. So just click on submit. So once you click on the submit, this process will done. So guys, once you submit your wallet, so the next thing you need to do is just go here and just click on this GM. So just type GM or GN and then click on your profile. You should be able to see this airdrop tier 1 thing role on your profile. Okay, so if you have this role on your profile, come back here and do the check here, then it will be done. So guys, now we got the airdrop tier 1 role in the Discord, and now you will ask me how I can get all these tires. Okay, so these are the tire roles, we cannot get it just like that how we got the airdrop tier 1. So these things, if you want to get you should be reading this airdrop tire leveling guide. So first thing, if we just submit our wallet itself, we will be able to get it. Okay, and the next question is how to get this tier 2, 3, 4 and all. So if you want to get the higher tier, so you gotta stay active and have a meaningful conversation inside their Discord account, spread positivity, assist and help the newcomers, support the team. So if you just be active inside their Discord account and talk with their team and all, because in finally here you can see the most important, it's up to the mods and admins to level you up. So you gotta be touch with them and talk with them, and you gotta run the node and all. So if you do all these things, you will be able to easily tire up your airdrop. Okay, so once you do the tire up, then you come here and just do the check, and then you can claim your points. Okay, so pretty much these are the way, guys, for you to claim your points and what you have to do with these things too. So pretty much that's it, guys, in this video. And mainly, guys, do not leave this Tyco lightly, do not take it lightly, because just climb this 2.5k points, because it's actually, if you have both of this role itself, we'll be able to get this much point. Okay, and apart from that, just go and complete. It will be ending tomorrow, and another one will be ending day after tomorrow. So in the March 5th everything will be over, so must try and claim the points. And after that, so in case if they announce any more new quest, I'll be announcing it inside my Telegram channel, so must follow me inside my Telegram channel also, guys. So that's it, guys, in this video. Pretty much I covered everything, and I hope you like this video. If you do, so hit the like button, and thank you, guys, thank you for watching this video until the very end.